Umananda temple was built on Umananda island long ago in ancient time in the middle of the river Brahmaputra. Umananda temple is basically a Shiv temple. One has to travel by ferry to reach Umananda island. The ferry river bank of the Brahmaputra is only 3 kilometers away from Guwahati railway station. Depending on water level, the place of ferry bank may changes. Main priest and his associates live in the island and make the island world's smallest river island. There were many golden langurs once upon a time, but when I recently visited the island, I saw only 3 langurs. Their population is decreasing, and one day, if no initiative will take place in the near future, then all the langurs live in the island will extinct. Due to small habitat, lack of proper nourishment, and forceful water current, many langurs lost their lives. Uma is the name of Hindu goddess Parvati, wife of Shiva, and Ananda means happiness. According to Hindu mythology, Lord Shiva had created the river island for his wife, goddess Parvati's happiness, and named Umananda. Shiva is said to have resided here in the form of Hayananda. According to myth of Kalika Purana, Shiva burned Kamdeva with his third eye on Umananda when he interrupted Shiva's deep meditation, and thus alternative name Phishmasal came to exist. In Assamese, Phashma means ash and Anshal means hill, and can also be said as the hill of ashes. This mountain is also called Phasmauta. The Kalika Purana states that Urvasi Kunda is situated here, and here resides the goddess Urvasi who brings Amrit for the enjoyment of Kamakhya, and hence the island got the name Urvasi Island. According to the history, in the year 1694, the then Ahom king Saptafa ordered Garghaya and Dikfukan to build a Hindu temple called Umananda temple. Unfortunately, the earthquake of 1897 has damaged the temple, and later it was repaired and rebuilt by a local merchant.